Hello, Alex here again with NumLookup. Do you frequently get phone calls from numbers outside of the state? Or has a pizza place from 498 miles away given you a call asking where your front door is? Or has someone you think you've been dating online become a little fishy? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to perform a completely free reverse phone lookup using NumLookup. So to get started, you're going to want to go to numlookup.com. Now that we're here at the home page, you'll see right in the center is a search bar where you can enter the phone number that you're trying to search. Go ahead and enter the phone number in the search bar and click on the search button. Our advanced artificial intelligence-based search algorithm will then take about 5 to 10 seconds to sift through piles and piles of records to gather information and compile a comprehensive but rather simple phone report. Once the search is complete, you'll see a link to open the report. Let's go ahead and click on that link. Now that we're at the phone report, it can be a little intimidating on first glance, so let me walk you through the report. For some phone numbers, we may have a lot of information, and for others, there might not be any information at all. This could be due to varying factors I'll discuss in another video. Our algorithm does its best to structure information into different blocks, and you'll see these as we scroll through the report. The first block you see is usually where you'll find the owner's full name. This is what our system deems to be the most accurate name and is therefore displayed at the very top. The second block below the name shows basic telephone information such as the name of the phone company that operates the phone and whether the phone is a cellular, landline, or VoIP phone. The blocks below the first two vary depending on the type of information we have on a phone number. In this example, you'll see a block for email and a separate block for social media accounts. You may have noticed that we usually show a percentage match when we find multiple names or addresses associated with a phone. I'll create a separate video why you may see multiple names on a phone report. These percentages are automatically calculated by our search algorithm. The percentage is simply an indicator in our confidence level as it relates to the accuracy of the information inside the block. At the bottom of the report is where you can add any additional information or comments to the phone number. Keep in mind that anything you add is kept completely anonymous and is instantly available for others to see. The idea here is to enable users to collaborate with each other and share information that we might not have on a phone number. Now, while I haven't gone into depth into every aspect on a phone report, I hope that this gives you a better general understanding of the phone report itself. If you have any further questions, please leave them down in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.